Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Hope all of you are having a wonderful week so far. I just got home to some beautiful happy mail. I'm so excited to open this. This is one of my first orders from this shop in almost a year, and it is one of my favorite shops of all time. You probably have seen a lot of her products on my Instagram if you follow me on there, and I've also featured some of her items on this channel as well. This is from a shop called villabeauTIFFul. She makes the most gorgeous pens I have ever used, and so I thought it would be fun to open this package up together. First, I just want to say she always picks really cool packaging for her mail. When I was getting mail from her last year, she was using like hot pink metallic envelopes, and which I love because it's one of my favorite colors. But I'm also really loving this matte black. I think this is gorgeous and kind of mysterious, which is kind of cool. So enough about the packaging. Let's get into the goodies. So, oh geez. Ooh, this is like really in there. Holy moly. Okay, I'm just gonna do this part off screen for just a second because I just need some. There we go. I did it! Yay! Okay, so definitely won't be losing any products with this bubble mailer. It is extremely sealed, as you can see. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So I ordered 5 pens this time. And this is what it comes with. Ooh, okay. So that is everything. Okay. Okay. So one of the really cool things that I really absolutely love from her is that with every pen that you get a free refill for it. So in this case, I got 5 pens, so I have been given 5 free refills, which is basically like 2 pens worth for the price of 1. So I absolutely love that about her shop. I think that you really get your money's worth with her, and you get great quality and beautiful product as well. So you get the best of both worlds. So I've got my 5 ink refills here, which I keep in a separate container. And then there is a beautiful card, which basically just says, "Thank you, have fun planning, Tiff." And that's all the shop information here. I will also link it down below as well. And then we've also got a couple little freebies here. She also does stickers as well, so I would definitely recommend checking out her site to see everything that she has there. And then I have my receipt. This has my address on it, so I am not going to be showing that. And then these are the pens that I got. So I got 5 colors, and they're very like summer inspired. So I am going to just take them, I'll take them out of plastic so you guys don't have as much glare. Of course, I just cut my nails short for work. I work in dental, so it's really hard to have long nails. It's like impossible to grab like all the small little tools and everything. So, all right, gorgeous. All right, so each pen comes individually wrapped in a nice and sturdy plastic container with her logo on it. This is the first pen that I got. It is a beautiful kind of bubblegum pink. And of course, it has her logo on here. villabeauTIFFul. I love the way like that she chose black here I think that contrasts the bubblegum pink beautifully. This is one of my favorite colors of all time. Super girly, reminds me of like Barbies and that kind of thing. And I'll get the names for these down below as well. So if you guys want to go check them out, you can. And I don't know if you've noticed here, so these two are black, but these three have different colors where the cap is. And she chooses the colors based on what complements the pen better. So I also like that as well. You get like a lot of variety. So no two pens ever look the same. The second one, if I can just get that, oh, there we go. Get this out, is a beautiful turquoise. It's showing up a little bit bluer on camera. It's more of a mint green. So it's not quite this blue. What I'll do is I'll include a picture of these at the end so you can kind of see what they all look like. But this one as well has the black contrasting, which is really nice. The next one that I got is one of my, I guess, other favorite pinks, and that is rose gold, a rosy pink, just a rose. And with this one, we have the rose gold here, with her logo here, villabeauTIFFul, and this one has, you can get that beautiful sparkle. Crystals in here are gorgeous. This one looks like little rubies with like little pink speckled ones. If I did these close enough, these ones have little blue ones, and these ones have pink ones. So they're actually like crystals in every single one. And that's what those look like. So, two pinks and a turquoise. The next one I got, this one kind of reminded me of like sand and like the beach. And it is like an ivory, kind of like off-white with gold. And this is what these jewels look like. So those look like that. So just this one just reminds me of like sand crystals. There's like lots of different gold and browns in here. They're so beautiful. And as I said before, she chose gold for the complementary like the pen cap and the ring here. So that is like a ivory white, which reminds me of like the sandy beach. And then the last one, so, and this reminded me of like the water at the beach. So it's like kind of beach themed. I think of the pink, I think of like flamingos and stuff in summer. And the last pen that I got is a beautiful blue. And this one reminds me of like kind of mermaids inside. So it's not quite showing up as accurately as I would like, but inside here there's actually a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, and a little bit of turquoise, but it's all showing up blue right now. But it actually has 3 different colors in there, and that's what the cap looks like. She's chosen silver for this one, which is gorgeous. And the thing I love about her pens too is that they just write so beautifully. Just the weight is so nice. Like I said, you get the extra refills in your package as well. That's very, plastic's very reflective, and it's just gorgeous. You could just tell they're such high quality, and I am just obsessed with them. I'm going to show you how they write. So let's take off the little protective covering. They all come with a little protective covering on the tip here. That's what the tip looks like. Put that over there. And we will write something here. Super, super easy. And that's what the writing looks like. That's about how thick it is. Alright, so that is my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave all the information below. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and thanks so much, guys. See you later. Bye.